woken up this morning here in Austria to this lovely view. This is supposed to be our summer holiday. It's snowing. There's a good inch or two on some of those pots over there.
Can you just appreciate how mental this is? Look at the snow coming down. This is like a dream for Christmas, being in the mountains with snow falling. However, not for our car. Oh, which has the tiniest tyres and no grip. This is horrendous. The good news is that it's slushy snow. It's not icy. So it should just be like rain. So we should be fine going back down the mountain. Look at we literally just woke up, saw the snow, panicked. I didn't panic, I panicked. And got all our stuff together and now we're going.
Go.
Starting route to Trafalgar 30. Head south on Clanstras. In 300 metres, turn right onto Clanstras.
Stars brightly shine. It is the night
It's like ash, doesn't
of our
it?
deep sailor's blood.
It's still absolutely fine, but this is actually a lot of snow.
Long lay the world
It's like
in sin and
20 centimetres maybe.
It's because we're getting higher.
till
Me too.
We're heading into the snow.
felt
Just following the snow.
a thrill of hope. The weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees.
So we've just driven for about an hour, apparently going further and further uphill, and we've just got, well, there's a little sort of checkpoint with the police, and they've just stopped us, asked if we had snow tyres, which we don't, and they said you have to turn around. They're stopping everyone. People that have snow tyres or chains or something can keep going. There's a van just over there putting chains on his tyres, but we don't, obviously, so we have to turn around and go back, and yeah, we'll see where we go. The adventure continues.
Truly, he taught us to love one another. His love